Hello everybody, welcome back to Work Right Planner. My name is Erica. I am so sorry that this video is late. I know that it's been a little bit since you've seen me. My sister was put in the hospital and it's just been, well, it's been a shitstorm since then. But that's okay. Excuse my language, but that's where we're at. Okay, so I've gone through and I've updated all of the cash envelopes with all of the deductions that have come out. I realize that this is supposed to be the 830 cash envelope stuffing, but I did spend a little bit more out of this. So, eat out, I've still got $20 in here. For my personal envelope, I still have $40 in here. Still haven't gotten that haircut yet. Maybe one day. For gas, I've got $161. For groceries, we've got $45. And for the joint miscellaneous, we've still got the $20 that we put in last time. So, that is where we are as far as our current eating out. This is what we're putting in here from the paychecks that came at the end of the month. So it all adds up to $80. Let's make sure that we have $80 here. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Okay, we're going to try to get through this. I don't want to keep you all long because, you know, it's been a little bit since you've seen me. I'm going to use this ink pen, and don't you all hate when that happens? I don't know if you can see it, but I dropped the pen and it bent the needle tip on it. So it's pointed downward and you have to hold it funny to be able to use it. So, okay, I'm going to actually put the 8:30 date on here since that's what this is for. Eating out is going to get $16. So I'm going to put deposit plus 16. That should bring us to $36. We want 10, 5, and a 1. And let's see what we've got in here. Let's do 10. There's the 5. So we should have 36. We'll do 10, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got $36. That in there. Erica is going to get $20. That is going to be a 20. We're going to say 830 deposit plus 20. That'll bring us to $60 in this envelope. I've got 20, 40, 60. Obviously, with the whole hospital thing, I didn't get a chance to finalize what I'm planning to have for the cash envelopes, and my Etsy shop did not get updated, but hopefully I'm going to be back on track very, very soon. Gas, we're putting in 39, so 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to say 830 deposit plus 39, which brings us to 200, which is my goal for the month. So in the month we are back to our 200. And yeah, 200 seems to be working okay. 20, 35. Oh, I've already counted that. Let me actually get out my cash here. And 5 and 10. And then the 20. Okay, so we should have $200. I've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. Okay, perfect. Groceries is only going to get $5 because, again, we're only trying to carry $50 in here at a time. The rest of our groceries are done through grocery pickup. So let me know what you all think. I think I might start doing a weekly check-in. I've seen some other people do it online, and I think it's going to be a good idea to track my overall spending in these categories that are split between the envelopes and my account, so that I have a better idea. I know that when I tally everything for my monthly budget, it's there, but if I do the weekly budget, I'll have a better idea of where I'm at going through the month. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. But okay, we need $50. I've got 20, 30, 5, 40, 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. $50 for groceries. And we've already established that the joint is 20, and we are not putting anything else in there. So there we have it. Our cash envelopes, our stuff. All of these go in my wallet, and they travel with me everywhere. I use them as I need to. I may have to consolidate some ones next go around and just, get rid of some of those, or maybe some of the 5s. I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, well, you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.